Catch it pot alive, alive. Catch it pot alive. Father. Guys, welcome to the channel. Let's stay here real quick. We'll soon come back to do the official intro. Hey guys, it's feeding time. Ew, the front table. Roya feeding. Oh, Maria come. The fox reach. Thinking my joke. Fox. Hi fox. Gosh. Wanna be having yourself now? There's enough food for everybody. I spot a walk up to me.
Look, one I TMS one. Come, what you got?
Jesus.
The problem them.
Fuck, stop friggin' the guys. She's so tame.
Them are fright now.
I gave some to Fluff a little bit.
Fluff?
Yeah, I seen them. Fluff. Alright, just my hand them.
Yeah, I'm there. Oh, see him there.
Fluff.
Yeah, see him there. Oh yeah, see him there eat from it. Yeah, why two TMS one never eat from Canadian? Right, I would. It's a little like a TM for dump on me now. Right, it's a little almost like for me.
Hey, I ain't look a girlfriend, you know, guys. I ain't look a girlfriend, you know. Fluff, come. You can't. Jesus Christ.
What my business?
She loves him, see, guys. She loves me too, but just him a little more. See my guy, yeah. Fluff balls. Come, Fluff. Ah. Hey, sometimes Fluffy, very sometime-ish. Come, Fluff. Papa, busy to eat. You ever see us already got them, you know?
I know.
You got, watch out. Mr. Lico.
Tell us him I get cream.
Guys, the funny thing is, they're not even. And actually, I don't know if you do it good yet.
Yeah, but if the other one, I'm going to do it.
Oh, Fluff there. Over by you. I didn't get corn and I look, yeah. I didn't get corn. Hey, Baba Duck. Hey. Jesus Christ, go to steal food.
Don't give the dog food, no, guy, dog will fight you. You know that yet?
Oh, Mama, don't they run yourself? Over my side. Guys, look on her.
Watch ya.
That man.
You're not going to drop at her.
Poor spot. I mean, pour cocoa. Cocoa. Where's Cocoa? She come take away your shine. Where's your cook?
Mama don't want to drink her water.
Should I drink our water, guys? Should I talk to the next chicken you see him? Hey, mama dog. With that, me answer. She need her own show for you. It's not fish. What is wrong with you? You like any name, no fish? See y'all look there? See y'all look there? Every time I say no fish, y'all look. Go on, Papa, look. Yeah, yeah. Coco girl? You answer me though. Right? Fluff is complaining, guys. I don't know what about. Fluff. Fluff. Jax? Jax crow for me. Jax in a bus a crow. A show off like frunk hair.
Shit. Bro,
No, sir.
Fluffy, what's up?
Whoops.
What's up?
Yeah.
I feel like teddy bear guy.
But, right? So wait, are you the real Birdman? So why Birdman name himself Birdman?
Hello, relax yourself, you know.
Watch out, Brownie. Did she just try to hop?
Yeah, she come by.
Watch out. Brownie, what you say? You pick toes now?
Yeah, I picked that toe.
Fluffy, hold on.
Just relax from here.
Right, here. Fluffy, I sell out, you know. If I want me to try to call you this morning, it's alright still. It's alright, Fluffy.
Fluffy like teddy bear.
It's alright still. Guys, and sometimes she say, but him always sweet. And maybe sometimes he wasn't always sweet. Hang on, yeah. Where you come to me for now?
Like chat.
Oh, where you chat? Oh, where you pick me for? Come. Come. So, you vex with me? Where you pick me for? 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 Yeah. It not really affect the filming. It's just for me, for my eyes' sake, so I can see what I'm doing.
The video we didn't back with Patchy, it kind of grainy at first because the brightness never up.
Oh. Well, maybe it does. But from what my knowledge, I haven't seen that. Hey. Hello, Mr. Heron. Yeah, guys. So, Mr. Rowe here. Say hi, Rowe. Oh, say hi already. So, walking to the cocoa spot right now. Guys, look at this tree. That looks creepy, right? It's got character, I'd say. Look at the taproots on there. Look at the taproots on that thing. Remember the taproots are these long things. Oh, prop roots, my bad. I'm trying to educate y'all and I'm saying the wrong thing. Prop roots. Look at that. Oh my god. Crazy. Insane. Yeah, look at this, guys. Oh, what all these roots is for this one little tree? It's not even that big. I think it's old, honestly. I feel like a piece are already disintegrated.
Yeah, man, she a rotten and a drop out the piece over there.
Yeah.
Brother.
Yeah, see a piece already, guys.
And that
Oh yeah. Oh, still looks good though. Still looks cool.
Yeah.
Right. Guys, look at this big ass empty lot. Where cook under here, sir? Oh. So back there, what I just showed you with the big empty lot, that's actually the pond. And you see this little trailway right here that we're walking on now? Guess what's on the other side? You soon see? You soon see the link. Yep, now you see it. The ocean. Cool, huh? Get a double effect. Get to hang out by the pond side if you want. Or another little middle area there, shaded cool area there, that's where I'm just coming from. Shaded cool area. Big old empty space again. Ah, look how cute, look a cooking spot today. Nice. Guys, look at how perfect this spot is. It's like it was like made for us or something, you know, to record. This is crazy. 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 You crazy, man. A little Haitian accent. Let's go see some waves. Yo, it's hot. The sand is hot. I'm not fucking around. We'll put on some slippers. Now come over there, so. See, road gone left me there. I go around the tree. Give us some ocean views. Yeah. Alright, so you're probably wondering if we're in Jamaica why the sand isn't pure white. Because we live on the south coast of Jamaica, and anybody that lives on the south coast, we don't usually get the white sand beaches. So all the touristy areas that you go to, that's the north coast. And in my opinion, it's just as beautiful. It's all about preference. Alright guys, so cutting up some stuff now. Some scallion already in a cup. The reason why I use cup is because I forget to bowl them.
It's a plastic bottle cup.
Yeah, we did bring some water in this bottle for the food today. So you have to get crafty and use what you have. So I'm gonna cut up some scallion now. I'm gonna cut up the rest of the ingredients. So we have the saltfish fritters, and today we're gonna put, for this video, we're just gonna put some scallion and some regular onion, because scallion is green onion, and we're gonna put some scotch bonnet pepper in there too. So you can put anything else in there. We have thyme too. You can put
thyme in there already.
Yeah, thyme in a cup already, and you can add tomato and whatever else you want. Add green pepper and then something there if you want also. So the bowl then left. So we have to get crafty and use this cup. Right, so. So a good thing we make fritters today, because you don't even need bowl for fritters anyway. So
yeah, finger food.
yeah, literally. So Yeah, that man look on just now. Oh, wait. So, why, guys, them mosquito here, they not like salt, you know, but you know what them I do? Because sure you say the pond on the next side, them hide under the trees and them surely love the pond. So it's like say, some of them fly over to the beach side and hide out in the trees them to torture people.
Come like them mosquito over here.
For Scotch bonnet pepper, guys, nothing too serious. I want it too spicy. Good? Alright. So guys, all the veggies cut up. You see the little specks them at the time that the specks at.
Alright guys, so this is the flour. We'll bring the flour. Portion it out. Portion control.
Just now.
Oh, the little thing a while ago was baking powder, guys. So we get to tell you now, say it was baking powder. Then at the goodie bag again, they got little black pepper. Don't know, see the thing there. Sorry, sir, I don't have a bowl to show you what I want.
I think this is more cool. Some more awkward style.
Yeah, it's awkward cooking, guys. To get this stuff, and it's a good walk, you know. It's a decent little walk to go up over there. It's a little all-purpose seasoning, seasoned to the bone, you know.
Nice.
It have tomato in it, and it have pepper, pepper flakes, onion, whole heap of things, garlic,
Salt.
yeah, garlic blend up in it, jerk seasoning, all that little thing.
Guys, the seasoning bad.
So little, what is it again? All-purpose seasoning, regular all-purpose. No, this is a meat seasoning, yeah. So you can put it for fish, chicken, anything, just meat. Got garlic. But this is all cut up in a minces. This is our mince up and put in it. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Don't forget the garlic, guys. Garlic makes a huge difference in our food.
Man, garlic is a bad flavor, yeah. Decent flavor, a good flavor.
Yeah.
Jamaican just say bad when time sell off. When things really good, Jamaican people say bad. Carly soon, yeah. Well, okay, just go and listen to my voice. When things extremely good in Jamaica, we say bad. You know, it's good till it's bad.
Can switch it.
Alright, see the breeze are blow. Nice.
We'll put it more up. Alright, the top of it. Good.
Garlic.
Camera. Guys, may I distract you when we're chatting. That's why you see about look around.
Yeah, get on chat. That you see you.
Well, no.
Okay, put it by you.
See me, ya guys. What up? What it do? I feel a sheep. I've been annoying Ro by saying, better I say, we have one nearby.
No matter talk about it. Every day the man get up and play same song.
Every day, guys, he gets up and play that song. Adi, adi, oh.
And you see in Jamaica, all who don't know, there is no such thing as nice nuisance unless you have some friend at the police force. Because if you call and complain say the noise that disturb you, no police now come contact the people. There is no justice. So therefore, true. You live with a neighbor, you have a neighbor, and the neighbor just play very loud music. You can't even sleep at night. So sometimes the man play the music till after 2 in the morning or till very late. And nobody can talk to him about it, you know. And if you call police, the police have not come.
Police like if you joke. Guys, we lived at another place, and this guy was doing the most.
They said the man play music, it's the next incident in a different parish. We don't live somewhere else. And this guy, we neighbor to again, I play a lot of loud music every day. And one day I try sleep and can't sleep. Like literally I try to get, some daytime nap because I'm tired. Could I sleep? So me I go and wait it out to see if the man will start the music. The man started the music from about like 7 o'clock in the morning and never shut off the music till like 8 o'clock in the night. I have to just fall asleep and just lock up the door and lock up the window them so the noise not really penetrate so much. And believe me, in the place where we live, it was very hard to lock up the whole place because in there hot.
Yeah.
You get what I say? So when we lock up the place, we show you all the noise, but I prefer the heat over the noise. So better lock up the place and just
guys, and Ro does not do heat. Like he is
very nice.
No.
Them think that's what it why very sensitive to heat and noise.
So for him to say he rather the heat over that you know is something serious. It's something serious because he like the slightest bit of warmth makes him hot. So it's pretty serious when he's sacrificing that just because of that.
Which is why if everybody will also wonder, which is why I don't wear shirt. And if I could not wear shorts too, I would honestly. That's why I don't wear shirt. One time I could have wear a shirt. If I put on a shirt right now, I'm gonna be sweating. You know, even me in New York, I sweat. I'm sweating in the winter. Literally, I'm living in New York, I sweat throughout the winter.
Yes.
I wet up all the whole bed.
Yeah.
Wake up, be sweating at the bed. And the time cold, you know,
I've seen it. I'm just kidding. I've seen it in action.
Yeah, man. Some people who don't understand, you know, I sweat very like, I get hot easily.
Yeah, guys. So there's no such thing as calling the police for noise nuisance down here. Maybe if you live uptown or something. But in country, anything fucking goes in country, bro. Like these people don't got no laws, regulations, no nothing. Anyways.
Alright, this is the water now we'll bring. It's in a pot. We'll have to throw it out first.
Catchy style.
Yeah.
Catchy pot alive. Alive.
Catchy
Pot alive. Bada.
Catchy pot here. Pot alive.
Yes, I want that. I'm not always up this one. And it is up. A cliffside.
It looks
like a whitey something there.
Yeah, limestone.
Oh. I want something that we up there so it look like wall.
Oh. So I'm gonna pour a power grid, I'm gonna have some electric. You see what it look like? Solar panel?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have solar panel up there. No?
Oh shit. And I'm gonna charge people electricity.
Them business, they don't pay enough to produce electricity. They never pay all the solar, crude oil, whatever them charge you for. They get it free from the earth.
A big scam this,
and
guys.
And I generate electricity and I charge your fee. Whatever method they use to generate electricity, free them always get it from the earth. And then they sell you it. You know?
Yeah.
And most people not even know there's something. Most people don't aware how electricity is produced. You know? Most people don't care, you know? And they might use light every day. They might use electricity every day. And they don't know, and they don't care how it produced. They don't know nothing. And they don't want to know nothing either. Because, you know, nothing wrong if you're ignorant to things, you know, because everybody ignorant before them actually know something. They're ignorant to what you don't know. But you have to have a natural curiosity to know things, for want to know. You know, you are supposed to be curious as human beings. why is it that people just do things and not go about and then not care, then not ask no question? Why? You know?
Just because the government said so.
Yeah, government say you don't have to pay for electricity. You don't ask why you have to pay for something for free. And them.
Because most of the people don't know that electricity is free. Because the government not tell them that. So then just
most
go
people don't
stick
even
with
know what
buy what the
electricity is.
government. Yeah.
If they didn't know what it is, you don't know that it's free. I'm telling you something, guys. You are an electromagnetic being. You see, you are what is you are an electromagnetic being. And electricity run your body. And electricity make you alive. In case you never know. And electricity you get from the sun, electricity you get from the food, everything and electricity keep the cell going. The cells in your body run off a type of energy we call ATP. Pure electricity, pure prana. Nothing more. And that your cell feed off of. You know? And foods contain this electricity, which is why food can feed you and them little thing there. And the ATP, the cell, take up out of the food. So that's why you find say when you eat something, even if you eat a fruit, you still have to go to the toilet. Because the cell not use all of that. That's the waste. You know, the body not use none of the waste part. The part you poop out, the duty, yeah, that is the waste. And the cell use everything else, which is the ATP. Hollow car and all that stuff, you find they just pass through the body and you wonder, say, wait, what the body do with it? The cell then don't take everything out of that area, all the nutrients and stuff, the cell take it and use it. And just, yeah, and make you poop out the bad part, the toxins, part right now. What kind of news is?
That means I come right in people's ears.
Guys, it's kind of hard to mix two things deep, that's why I really want about. At first, I mix it in all this too.
And we didn't want to, I mean, we could have done it in the pot. I don't know why Ro was refusing to do it in the pot.
I'm going to have to wash over the pot.
I'm going to tell you something, would I watch it out with water? Ocean water.
This? I like it. You see things that I wouldn't do for myself, I'm not going to make it. I tell you the truth, that's some mistake. See, because me no want to wash out the pot, I'm not going to dirty it up and tell you for watch it. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to live my life. So.
That's what you stay, guys. He's just independent and just want to do what he want to do. If he feel like say, if he in way can't work, he not bend it because he don't want to burden nobody. But so not burden to me still, you know, teamwork, this and that. So, anything or anything. But guys, let me show you the view. What we are looking at. It's real quick.
That is the view.
Yes, some mates. I'll turn it for now. I'll catch a tripod. Catch a tripod, I lie. See there? You must say it there. So this is from a little seat. Let me show you the seat earlier. So we are sitting on the log when we show you earlier. Guys, I'm in love with this spot, you know. You can't camp out here, so to right.
Yeah, literally you can pitch a tent right there.
Yeah, right there, so.
Right there, flat and look good.
Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for that, cause
you camp by the beach.
I'm gonna get my freaking. We have to. All the OGs know the tent. If you don't know the tent, you need to go back and watch some videos and then come back to here. Because yeah, we live.
Farm set up now and things too.
Yeah, guys. So it's not that we moved and abandoned the farm. It's just that we have a lot of work to do on the farm right now. So. And being that this is like hurricane season, it's like not wise because there's been 2 huge storms that have passed through already, and yeah, it's not wise to be in the tent at this time. So yeah. The setback that Ro or myself or any of you may be going through, this big setback is like a slingshot to propel you into your biggest comeback season. Yeah. That's what the setback is about. It's not that the universe wants to drag you down or make your life living hell. No, it's preparing you. It's preparing you for your biggest fucking comeback of all time. So if you are going through it right now, this message is for you. If you may be going through it by the time you see this video, this message is for you, baby. Just stay tried and true. Don't be doing nothing for money, anything for money. Don't let people disrespect you over money. Value yourself more, and trust me, the universe will provide. So that's my little message.
A fish scale.
Well, yeah, guys, it looks like this little spot is definitely a fisherman hot spot. And look at this friggin' scale. Oh my god.
Like our plastic.
Right? That's crazy. Alright guys, so we're about to light the fire.
There's some finger food today by the beach. Not too crazy. Flower risers.
Guys, this is a nice little snack while we hang out. As New Yorkers would say, something light. Something light. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like after they've been flipped. You see that nice golden color. And for those of you who want to make saltfish fritters, I guess I can leave like a detailed information in the comments, or there's other videos that will show you step by step. Guys, you already know, when you're watching us, you're basically just watching us do our thing and vibe with us, you know, in nature, you know. Just get it to like a pancake batter consistency, literally. Because a lot of you, I do see I have a lot of viewers. We have a lot of viewers in the United States. So just get it to like a pancake batter consistency. And then start literally scooping it in the pot with a spoon. It can, as you see before, it can be any shape. They can touch. Once they start to get hot enough and crispy enough, they're going to detach from one another. So it's not going to be one big glob. And if you notice you're trying to flip and it's sticking, that means that it's not done frying. So just, yeah. Just keep a lookout. Just be very attentive when you're doing fritters. That's all. Alright guys, so about to, as I told you before, we forgot the bowls, so I'm about to start taking them out. Guys, the reason why I'm holding it like this is to drain off the excess oil off of it so it doesn't get soggy. You can do that, guys. You can, if you have a spatula where the oil can leak through, you can just hold it soft and the rest of the oil will leak through the holes. But since we don't have that, I'm just gonna press it slightly against the pot, not too hard. Take your time and just place down. Yeah. Okay, so more batter is being poured in. Guys, you know it would not be a cookout without dun 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 dun. Guess what that is?
Mary J. Blige.
Mary J. Blige. Yeah, some good old Mary J, guys. So yeah, why not make this a real party, right? Beachside vibes, like what's this all crusty and stuff. I didn't even know it was a fin until Ro pointed it out. Fisherman gem. Yeah guys, you know what it is. So teamwork, guys. That's how you help your friend life. Damn. Spliff. I'm not gonna say cigarette because y'all should not be smoking cigarettes. Absolutely freaking not. That's how you help your friend light a spliff when it's fucking raining. If you smoke a spliff, do better. Convert now. Anyways, we got the goods. We got the goods. So yeah, bro. So yes, if you're wondering, didn't these mad heads just infuse the cuisine? Yes, we did. I have a little smoke too. So what? So what? Yeah, judge me out.
We use marijuana very hard, guys, but we're not junkie. We're not people who can't function and like we can manage the weed. That's how we use it, sir. We can carry out every one of our daily functions same way. You know?
All our responsibilities, everything still gets done at the end of the day. Weed or no weed. So yeah, guys.
We can't drive if you high.
Yep. We don't do those things. We don't do those things. But we could if we wanted to. Oh, but guys, comment below if you're the person that always gets the pepper pieces. Alright, we're gonna make this quick. We have some storm clouds trying to hit on the prairie. I told you it's still storm season down here, which is why we didn't even get to post earlier in the week, because we usually do our content on the fly. We don't batch record yet, so yeah, we got held up by the rain. Guys, saltfish fritters. Look at the inside. It's like a fish cake, basically. If you like crab cakes, you'll love this. If you love crab cakes, you will love this. Hey, guess what I have to drink? My favorite juice. Apparently my ear says it's not a hot girl thing to drink bag juice. Who said that? That's what I'm gonna look like? This is the hot girl official hottie. Okay? Recruited by Meg the Stallion herself. So, all hot girls, we drink cows. Hot girls drink cows, okay? Cows though. Just cows. Love bag juice, guys. Love bag juice. Hey, cows, if you're seeing this, I would love to work with you. Sponsor us, cows. We want to be brand ambassadors for cows. Cows all day. Universe, you know what to do. I know what that flavor is. Guess what? This, you know, guys, even though this is orange, this is not orange flavored. What would you say? It's like a more peach mango?
Like tangerine.
Like a tangerine, right? Tastes good. Tastes really good. That's what I drink out of here, guys.
I just see that out because now I'm trying to light it and I want to go because it's very hard to light the weed over here.
Yeah, guys, we're in front of the ocean and mad breeze.
So we're going to blow it out and then we get back to the near mains. One that you can just kill it and lift it.
Yeah. Smoking herbs on the beach in Jamaica. I mean, come on. Bro, so maybe make on jealous. When you get jealous, because when you need to come and hang out with me and come and retreat and ting. So, yeah, man, make it provoke you, man. We want to take you about the place. And I like that it's not like we're showing you things that we don't want to, you know, show you guys if you were here. It's just a matter of you being here. Thank you. Bro, all the fritters are going.
Go on, man. Really good.
Guys, my eyes may change up soon because it's so strong.
Alright guys, so that was the end of the video today. Saltfish fritters off-grid cooking by the beach side with some cows.
Alright guys, so that concludes this video. The rain is coming. I wanted to spend a little bit more time out here, but that's not happening right now according to Mother Nature. I'm just glad that we were able to get the video, guys, done for you guys. So see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, okay? And share it with a friend. Peace out.